Okay, guys, welcome to chicken vlog number 3. We realized, wait, we have 17 chickens, and look how big these babies have gotten. Yeah, pretty big now. And now we came to realization, oh snap, they need more water bowls. So we filled up that one, and these 2 little ones with their vitamin water. Which once the little pack of it is full, then that we're cutting it off. They can't have any more of it. So yeah. And then today, if we can go to the store, the babies need more food. And I can see that somebody's been coming up here and pooping on the bag, which is nasty. But yeah, get the rest of their food. They don't have a whole lot left. It's just this much left. It's like all at the bottom and starting here. And let's fill up their food and water now. Well, water doesn't really need refilling, but it could be some good cleaning out. Yeah, dump that out. Take the top off. Oh, what tips in it? Okay. Guys, just chill right here. Just gotta refill it. Stop, you guys, the food's almost ready. Oh yeah, somebody's hungry. Right, we got the vitamin water. Yeah, we came in here, we have a good egg. It looks like that later.
I want that food again.
Huh?
We're gonna keep that until they get more food. We don't want them to have that one again.
So this is what it.
I'm surprised how quick they ran out.
Yes, this is like a good looking egg. I think she laid it. I'm not sure. What are you doing? It's gonna be difficult getting her out.
She and you pointed at one of the babies.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this egg. Look at the egg. Look at the egg. See, it looks like it's big from here. Oh my goodness, look how big this egg is. Psych. Egg ain't big. Egg's pretty small, to be honest. It's not huge, but it's a pretty egg though. It's a very pretty egg. Set on here real quick. And then get it when we come out. Need to refill their waters. Get all these witches out of here. Sorry, Skittles. Alright. Put it on here. Somebody knocked down the water. Who knocked down the water, guys? Oh, look at them. Look at them going to... Oh, snap. They're going to town on that. Okay, guys. So, let me sit you guys down right here.
Look at Skunk. He's getting kind of fat.
He's big. He's the biggest one. Used to be Phil, he was the biggest one.
Used to be. His second biggest.
So I'll probably just...
Skunk's starting to look like a turkey.
He's not a turkey.
Starting to look like one.
What's up?
Baby turkey.
Oh, come on.
No.
Oh, okay, look how perfect this is.
I know, but now you're going to have trouble
Breaking it down, yeah. It's like overfilled.
But can you hurry up? I mean, yeah, you keep trying to get out.
I'm trying to put it back.
Hey, get back up. What the heck? Dang, you feel like you're powerful. She kicked me. Oh, wait a minute.
anybody in? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Chasing me CJ because they're out of water. Hey, don't close me in here. Skittles always try to slice me up. Dude, stop trying. Let me get this egg. It's chaotic in here. Guys, be quiet. Shh.
Dude, that's the quickest we've ever given them all the stuff and put them up.
Yeah. Alright. I have to let the dogs. I have to let the dogs out. I think I'm going to continue this vlog.
One day we wake up and one of the milk crates are on top of the babies.
Mm.
It fell over and they got stuck under.
I think they would be fine. The other babies would be handing them food. Like, here you go. Here you go.
They probably flip it over.
Yeah, those babies are buff. Open the door. I got an egg in my hand. So, yeah. I think I think I'm going to still call this vlog Chicken Vlog. Do not eat that can. Although, it's going to be partly about the dogs. And about Tyson's rock eating addiction. Whose can is that? Take the can away from him. Give me the can. Ow, your tail hurts. Ow, give me the can. Tyson, give me the can. Tyson, get out. You're gonna cut yourself. Give me the can. Ow. Here, can you help me get this can? He keeps whacking me with his tail and it hurts. He's whacked by his bone.
Come here, baby.
Ow, ow. Well, I try to get it, but then I can't really. That actually hurt. Why did that hurt? He gently hit me in the tail. In the
tail?
Not in the tail. With his tail, but like right here. So neither. Oh, what is that?
A bug that got eaten by a spider.
It's nasty. Guys, I'm gonna show you the second angle. So, I'm gonna sneak in here. What you guys doing? What do you? Oh my goodness. That's automatic feeder. The water. That's automatic feeder, but that's for the adults. But I think we should get an automatic feeder for the babies. But I'm not sure. When I get some money, when I get some more money, I think I'm gonna buy an automatic feeder for the babies. Because then it'll be a lot easier. Like an actual automatic feeder like the adults have.
I'm in jail right now and I have $934,000.
So you don't like BitLife. You said the game was stupid and you didn't understand it.
Yeah, but now I actually started learning how to. Well, no, I liked the old one because that was easier, but now this one seems like a little more difficult.
What do you mean more difficult? It's the same thing. You make your own choices.
I know, but it's like something before seems like it was different.
They just gave you more options in this one.
I'm unemployed. I'm gonna go back to school.
Well, guys, this is the egg we got. I'm gonna cut this vlog short at about 8 minutes. And, yeah, it's very soft. I'm gonna have to check if it's fertile later. I don't know. Do I hear anything in here? No, I don't hear anything at all. Yeah, I don't hear anything. I don't think it's fertile. But there is a male in there. His name is Skittles. And he could have the eggs fertilized. But the thing is, ladies' poop is like crusted on their butts. So I don't think you can get through that poop layer. And chickens only have buttholes. So it's a butthole egg. Well, aka a buddy. So I'm actually going to cut this vlog short at 9 minutes. So peace out.